Saving money biweekly can be an effective way to manage your finances and build a nest egg. Now, build a nest egg. So, here are some practical strategies for it. Number one, create a budget. Begin tracking your income and your expenses and allocate a specific amount for savings each pay period, treating it like a bill. Number two, set savings goals. Define clear short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or retirement, having specific targets can motivate you to save. Number three, automate savings into a TFSA or a retirement fund, whatever's giving you back 7% a year. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account right after you receive your paycheck. This pay yourself first strategy ensures you save before spending. Number four, reduce unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits, identify non-essential expenses such as dining out or subscriptions, and cut back where possible. Number five, take advantage of discounts. Look for sales, use coupons, and consider cashback apps. Applications when shopping. These small savings can accumulate over time. Number six, use cash envelopes. Now for discretionary spending categories, withdraw a set amount in cash and use envelopes to limit your spending. Number seven, evaluate insurance and subscriptions. Regularly check your insurance policies and subscription services to ensure you're not overpaying. Now, by implementing these strategies consistently, you can significantly boost your savings over time.